had a very busy day today in the office, and I left office after 2 o'clock, and so I'm a little bit too much talking today. That's if you don't understand me, you just ask, okay?
Okay.
I will try to do the best. So explanation. This is the new palace of Sigulda. Duke Kropotkin built in 19th century, and it was the manner. It was say very popular to make the real ruins as the decoration of the living palace.
I got it, John. I got it. That's my editing job. I edit 80% of my film out there.
The most powerful ruler
Yeah.
among the others.
Yeah.
There were many local rulers, many tribes. And Kaupo had a friend, missioner, Christian missioner, Theodoricus, monk Theodoricus. He was telling Kaupo a lot about Christianity, about that only one God exists, about philosophy, that instead of hierarchy and paganism, the hierarchy of the gods, local gods, which existed that time and even nowadays they exist in folk songs and in our culture they exist. And the Kaupo was so impressed, and he was a wise man and he understood a lot of philosophy. But the other, his neighbors said, you are not right. He is not your friend. He is enemy. And then locals came together.
Man, you're allergic to me.
Who is me? Oh, yeah. Todd. Todd is the
Not open on Monday. It's on Tuesday.
And this scarf is with words. You just fly. You can make a cut with your sword and nothing will happen. This scarf will cut. Like that? Because it will be shade inside.
Scary.
View around.
It's ground floor of the tower.
stronger. So it is nice. It
Yeah,
is
that's good, isn't
a story with a positive message, not dramatic.
You put it out and let someone else serve it.
Only in Viti.
Hey,
Hey,
Auntie,
Auntie, hey.
this is a little bit bigger.
Oh, good
But then we won't see the bottles.
oh,
What's
oh,
that
oh.
matter? Mine's bigger. But,
Oh, it's
yeah.
true.
Our hostess is asking, do we have a huge cultural shock from the capital city with 5-star service, with everything? Now you are in the countryside. No, we have just half an hour short walk. Then we local. The entrance, then we have our. On the way, I will write down the pancake tops you have not sent me, and we will have pancake. Right. Then we walk. Let's go back to the old city. Animal. I'm not an animal.
And this drove them a bit.
And also sounds of music. If we divide, for example, in 4 parts. So who will be roosters? Okay, I am with Paul. First line of the fortification wall.
Our breakfast place.
And those niches in the medieval times, they were used. Peasants came with their goods for the market, and they stayed overnight here. They put their goods and that was their view. Let's go all together.
If we can.
So we are going through the boulevard circle. Okay? It's one full and then we are going back. And also on the way back.
Go ahead, Diana. Did Rita find them? She's having a little panic.
Stable, timeless values. And then, development, resort, history.
The Russian embassy over there.
They wanted to marry execution. And then the rule said in medieval times, if some woman is sentenced to the death, then he can say, I married her. If she stays alive, he gets a wife. And now we are going around fortification. There are many places to visit. And Karl, you with Cindy, you are staying longer. This is garlic farm. Everything is with garlic, even ice cream. Absolutely everything. with a guy, another servant. She didn't look up the meat carefully, and the fat got into the fire. And through the chimney, with probably flying pieces of ham, and fire occurred. But this is nothing to do with medieval times, of course. This is year 1960, story time, and the unknown reason why they left. Nobody has now documented.
Town council, and the salary was really big, 5 marks in 1 year, really big money, yeah. And what is about pharmacy indoor convention? Here was officina, it is officina where the drugs were sold. There was different kind of basements. Usually there was apartment for pharmacists. Actually, he was living in his pharmacy. It was larger and smaller home travel kit pharmacies. And here you can see home travel pharmacy, little pharmacy home travel for Russian Tsar Alexander II. And it is second part of 19th century, I think. Yeah. And there was medicine for all illnesses. Like if Russian Tsar had headaches, there was medicine for that. If he had some abdominal pains, there was medicine for everything. And you can never get married. Never. They never love women. But all their lives they was making only experiments. But experiments they was making on the female, only on the female. And why they was doing like that?
And this means, okay, youth and success you already have got, but this is love. This is sweet love from Riga, and this to everybody. This is lacquer and balsam. It means with love from Riga.
I saw that.
Hansi.
Bring us to mysterious places.
Yes.
With Sarah?
I've only been here once, as I said, so.
Yeah,
And it's cool. Yeah.
a
It's very
large-
different because usually
It's
we
a
can't go to
large
old
centre,
pubs.
yeah.
No, this is a small centre.
Yeah,
small. Vero
Not like-
centre.
If I take
I
the
hired,
phone, then I
I
can
hired 2 VP members. I hired them. I said, you can call us.
Still water?
So first some Germans while the ports and other houses, and also some wealthier Estonians. And it used to be kind of a recreational area. Other houses here, but very few lived here permanently. So, and this changed then at some point. So at the turn of the century.
What's his name here? Tomasav. I've never heard of this writer. I'll have to look him up.
A little to that side of this, called the Masters Courtyard, with like cafes and art places and that. Yeah, but it's the same sort of thing. It's handmade there. They have women's makeup there.
Did that scare you, Isabel? Moving like that? And the fire goes in. Fire kind of changes color.
Thing.
It's the kind of waxy part.
Ah, I know, like the V-Sat.
Yeah.
V-Sats, yeah. Flavoured coffees, yeah. Oh, yeah.